Here he comes. He's going to meet up with his friend, his pal, his companion. Or I don't know. Is he going to climb the gates? He's going to open the gate. Doubt it. He's going to jump over the gate? What's he going to do? What about his friend over here? He or she sniffing around this grass pile. Who knows? I'm looking. Oh, he's doing bathroom duty. Oh, sorry about that. She's looking for a way. She's sniffing around. She's snooping around. Look at this. Oh, wow, that's sweet. Now she's on top of the fence boards, underneath the eave of the roof. Now she's looking around, seeing what her friend's gonna do. Now she's walking on the ledge, the 2x4. Oh, it's my little Egyptian boat. You know, those little Nile boats. I forget what they call them, but she's on that. It's an Egyptian boat. She's gonna go up the Nile to the netherworld to meet up with Set and Osiris. Look, this one's kind of in a quandary. She's right next to that tree. I don't know what kind of tree that is. There's a date palm right there. Here comes her friend. See that she's right below him. There's really no competition there. They seem to be complimenting each other. Looky loo. I don't know if I can make a smooth transition to get a closer look. I don't really have a steady hand yet. There we are. Now, hopefully it won't be spooked as I'm approaching closer. This one's on the move. Look, he's running. Now he's on the patio. Now he's gonna run on the other side of the house where the air conditioner is. What's over there? They like to try to find rats and mice and gophers and lizards. They eat them for food. This one over here, still, now she's plucking away at this bush. I don't know if she's eating it.